Hello everyone, good morning. Today in part first of chapter 4th, language of chemistry, we are going to discuss about valency. What is valency? The combining capacity of an element with another element is called valency. For example, PCl5, phosphorus pentachloride. In PCl5, phosphorus atom combined with 5 another chlorine atom, first, second, third, fourth and fifth. So valency of phosphorus is 5 because phosphorus combined with 5 chlorine atom. Now second example, in AlCl3, aluminium combined with 3 chlorine atom, so valency of aluminium is 3. And in H2O, oxygen combined with 2 hydrogen atom, so valency of oxygen atom is equal to 2. Now we can say that the combining capacity of central element with another element is equal to number of valency. Now modern definition of valency: the number of electron gain or lose or share during a chemical reaction is called valency of atom. For example, sodium, which atomic number is 11 and electronic configuration is 2, 8, 1. In sodium atom, there are 1 electron in outermost shell, so sodium lose only 1 electron to complete their octet. That means electronic configuration 2, 8. So sodium lose 1 electron. Now valency of sodium is 1. Now next heading is valency of radicals, that means ions. Charge over the radicals or ions is called valency. For example, sulfate ion SO4 - 2. In sulfate ion, sulfate carry -2 charge, so valency of sulfate ion is 2. Similarly, carbonate ion CO3 - 2, valency is equal to 2. Calcium ion Ca+2, so valency of calcium ion is 2. Now, note point about valency. If an element exhibits 2 different valencies, then for lower valency we can use suffix us, OUS. For higher valency, suffix IC, IC is used. For example, FeCl2, Fe iron, Cl chlorine. Valency of Fe is 2 because iron combined with 2 chlorine atom, so valency of iron is 2. And in this compound, iron combined with 3 chlorine, so valency of Fe, that means iron, is 3. Here in this compound, valency of iron is 2, and in FeCl3 valency of Fe is 3. 2 is lower than 3, so we can use suffix us. Now we can write the name of FeCl2 is ferrous chloride, and FeCl3 ferric chloride, ferric because valency of iron is 3, so we can use the suffix ic. In ferrum, ferrum is a Latin name of iron, so its name is ferric chloride. Similarly, SaNCl2, SaN valency 2, so we can write stannous chloride, but in SaNCl4 tin, that means stannic chloride, SaNCl4, because the valency of SaN tin is 4, so we can write stannic chloride, but SaNCl2 valency of SaN is 2, so we can write stannous chloride. In the next class, I will discuss about radicals. That's all for today. Thank you.